So welcome to another Injee video. We have got three new feature releases in Injee 0.14.0. Right? So one is logs. So let me just go to this documentation. And, okay, I hope my Injee is running, right? So it should be running over here, right? So and I'll just give a curl request over here. So I'm just creating a thing called books, and the value is Treasure Island and Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, so that's the thing. And yeah, it got created. But the thing is, like now in Injee, you can see something, right? So you can see the parameters over here, right? And you can see what URL has been accessed and or what URL has been hit and all those stuff, right? So and the method name and all those things, right? So yeah, so that's one thing we have improved. I'm not saying like the log is really great or something like that, but yeah, compared to nothing, it's something. But we will be improving our logs. That's what I just feel we need to do. Right? So yeah, and another thing what we have done in Injee is like a thing called mocks, right? So say in web development, you can have you might need okay beyond your CRUD. Okay, so you might need to do like something like you need to give a request and get a very weird response or something like that. So yeah, as a proof of concept developer or prototype developer, you can't what to say like create databases and all those stuff. But then yeah, keep mocks. So how to do mocks? So let me come to the documentation. So there is a thing called mocks. Okay, so and I have created a file called I have created a folder called mocks, and in that I have put a file called wish.json. Right. So now what I can just do is like I can just call it right here. So let me just put it over here. So no matter whatever you say, right? You can have whatever data you want. Okay, so it just says planet hello and wishes world. Okay, so yeah, you can even get it in your browser if you want, right? So the URL is whatever URL you're running Injee on slash mock and that file, and this will search for this file in a folder called mocks where Injee runs. Okay, so yeah, you're just getting it as JSON. You can even have like something like a HTML, right? So new file and okay, wish.html. And, just put it as hello world, or let me put it as h1, and then hello and world. Okay, so that's the thing, right? So now what I can just do is like, okay, yeah, I can just call like mock wish.html, and I'll get this output and I can just call it over here. So, okay, let me just put it in another URL, right? So Injee, what to say, like, can provide whatever content you want in this way, right? So that's the thing, right? So yeah, so HTMX people can use the HTML stuff and other people can use the JSON stuff, right? So that's the thing. And another thing what we did was like, yeah, we experimented Injee with server, and it's good enough to run on servers, and we have updated the documentation. If you see over here, Injee on server, right? Okay, so this is the thing, and this will tell you how to do all those things. But yeah, I think this documentation is not fully done. Like you need to install Java. We need to put what to say, like we need to put documentation for that. So yeah, we'll do that. But yeah, like once you have installed Java on your server, it's very easy to run Injee, and we have given instructions how to install Apache and map it to port 80. So that's the thing. And maybe you can use Let's Encrypt and encrypt your connection so that you can have a server running. So this is good to go for office with a local setup or something like that. But maybe, yeah, you need to buy a URL and then what to say, use Let's Encrypt and all those stuff. And then, yeah, like you will have a dedicated Injee server that can be accessed from anywhere, from this planet. So that's how it is. So, yeah. So we have completed three more features, but yeah, things are pending like GraphQL and Visual Admin and DB export and all those stuff. And yeah, we will work and do it. So I'm not saying like, okay, like Injee is a very serious company and what to say, like we will deliver it in this time or that time or bug free or whatever it is. I'm saying like, okay, we will do it when we got the time to do it. Okay, so that's the thing. So Injee is not a real serious software. Okay, anyway, if you're what to say, like benefiting from Injee, just say hi to me in this number. I'll be very happy to hear from you. So anyway, uh, yeah, that's it in this Injee video, and with future releases or future updates, I'll be back. Uh, Thanks for watching.